Tennis is a popular sport in which players try to win by hitting the ball over the net so your opponent cannot hit it back.
The first law of motion states an object stays at rest and goes at the same speed in the same direction, unless acted by an unbalanced force. In tennis, Newton's first law is applied by the path where you hit the ball. When you strike the ball with the racket, heads off in a certain direction unless changed by an unbalanced force, which is your opponent's racket or the net. The second law refers to the relationship between mass, force, and acceleration. That means the amount of acceleration depends on the amount of force which is applied, which is also related to the amount of mass an object has. This relationship is described by the formula force equals mass times acceleration. This is applied in tennis because depending on how hard you hit the ball, the faster the acceleration. The third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In tennis, the third law is shown when a ball comes towards a racket. It is stopped for a moment as its action force travels through the racket. At the same time, the racket counters with an equal and opposite reaction force. Work is when a force is applied to an object which moves the object. The formula for work is work equals force times distance. Work is shown in tennis when you move around.
There are many ways power is shown in tennis, such as slams or serves. The formula for power is work done divided by time taken. When you use less power in the serve, the ball travels slower in the air. But when you use more power in the serve, the ball travels faster, resulting in it being harder for your opponent to return the serve. When serving, bringing the racket directly above your head is where you have the most potential energy. And swinging down is where you have kinetic energy.
The energy transformation shown in tennis is chemical to mechanical energy. Chemical energy is shown by the energy you get from eating food to mechanical energy, which is just used to hit the ball and move.
These are just the basics of tennis. There are more complicated moves such as topspin and slice.
Topspin is when you hit the ball from the bottom and swing upward at an angle resulting in the ball spinning.
You contact the ball from the bottom as shown.
When you contact the ball, you brush it to the opposite side like a windshield wiper. The ending position of the racket should be parallel to the net on your opposite side.
The slice is just basically the opposite. You contact the ball from the top and follow through to the bottom. The ball is spun at a specific angle, which makes it stop still for a second, making it harder for your opponent to get it. When you follow through with the hit, your racket should be on your opposite side being parallel to the sky.